Hello everyone, it's Patty, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous January box from the Planner Society, which comes in this beautiful mailer, and it also will also be sharing with you the add-ons or other subscription that you can purchase. Now, as always, I like to start with the papers because that's the foundation of the kit, and we have lots and lots of rose gold, lots of pinks, which is, you know, one of my favorite combinations. And first, let's start with the paper. The cardstock, as always, it's smooth, it's soft and buttery, and we get in 6 sheets of double-sided paper. There's a different pattern on each side. So this combination on one side has this beautiful white background with these diamonds, rose gold diamonds, and then on the other we have a beautiful abstract floral with little pink dots on the white background. Then we're having the same pattern that is shown on the mailer, which is this kind of like I would say like a mix of blue and gray in the background with these washed out flowers. It almost looks like there's a wood grain on the top, very pretty. And on the other we have this looks like wood, you know, wooden slabs or flooring with that is covered with a cotton embroidered pattern, like a vintagey one that you will find you know, in a vintage shop. Very, very pretty. And then my favorite combination, because on one side there is this beautiful white background with this kind of ink pattern with the rose gold and soft pink, and on the other another deconstructed floral with soft pinks and a little bit of green here and there. Just love, love, love that pattern. Now we're also getting 2 of the specialty papers. We're having one vellum, which is this beautiful white background with a soft pink floral, and the other is this acetate, which is one of my favorite ones. It's clear. Oh, look at my washi setup over there. Sorry guys, it reflects everything. But so there's this clear background with these embossed, not really embossed, but printed rose gold diamonds. And then look what we're getting. We're getting a sticker album. Now, this you can use for anything you want. I mean, I say it's a sticker album or sticker storage because, you know, this will fit your stickers, but you can use it for anything else. Recipes, receipts, you can turn it into a mini album. I just love it. It's a great size, and, you know, you can also bring it with you. Then probably my favorite item of the whole box is this paper clip, which is embroidered, and it's definitely reminiscent of the famous perfume. So it says TPS number 5. I love the little bow on it and the pink. And then continuing on the diamond theme, the sticky notes this month, I have a white background with a pink diamond and rose gold accent all around it. Now, Christy always includes a beautiful pen, which in this case has rose gold metal, and then a white crystal, clear crystals on the top, and the beautiful floral on the barrel. And we're getting also a ton of journaling cards. Now, these are perfect for making, you know, kind of the centerpiece of your dashboard, for making cards. They all have very uplifting kind of messages. I love they all look like little frames, and the messages are in rose gold. So very, very pretty. And then we're also getting 3 of these sticker pockets, and they're getting in 3 sizes, so these can fit a Hobonichi, personal, and a B6. Of course, you can mix and match them. And then one of the Christy's most famous thing, I think, is their little, you know, little planner girls, and she turned them into, oh my goodness, the word now escapes me, the stamps. And you can use the stamps to make your own cards, and they are super adorable. I love the way, you know, she's dressed with little boots and a little planner, so super cute. Then we're also getting 4 sheets of Deco Stickers, and these are super pretty. Rose gold foiling. I love these to use on my dashboards. Lots of deco, little half boxes or trackers, whatever you want to use it, and more super cute deco. Now, before I forget, we're also getting all these die cuts. And these die cuts are different than usual die cuts because this month they are all already stickers. So you can just add them to your planner. You don't need to like use any you know, tape. They're all very girly. There are like little purses, there's diamonds, there's flowers, there's little shoes. Let me see if I can find my favorite one. Where is she? Okay, there it is. I love this little kind of stack of vintage suitcases. Super, super pretty. Then we're getting here one of the things that Christy always includes, which is the sticky tabs. And as always, these are already stickers, so you just need to add them to the side of your dashboard, and then you can use all this huge list of stickers to attach, you know, to customize them to whatever you're gonna use them for. And then we're getting a 50mm washi tape, which has it's a soft pink kind of floral, you know, pattern with the pink rose gold accent. Now, let's say that you are a lover of washi tapes like I am, so you can purchase the Washi Tape Society, which comes in the single pattern. I love the way that this, you know, comes all kind of together, and it has 4 different tapes. So we're getting a 20mm, 50mm, 10mm, and a 5mm, all beautifully packaged together. And of course, they coordinate beautifully with the 50mm you get in your regular subscription. Now let's talk about the sticker subscriptions, you know, the ones that you can subscribe to separately. So this is the Box Sticker Society, which is probably my favorite format. This is for Erin Condren planners. It comes already in a kind of foldable, you can always say there's a little indent over there, so you can just fold it. You're getting 4 sheets. You're getting all this beautiful checklists, flags, rose gold, then, oops, upside down. We're getting some headers, some little trackers, some little icons, and then the gorgeous, gorgeous full boxes. How stunning are these? I mean, these are all so beautiful. I don't even know which one is my favorite. Maybe the relax one, because I kind of need it. And then we're having on this one some little washi, some quarter boxes, full boxes, all rose gold accents, and again with the background that is the same as the you know, coordinates with the papers. Now let's just say that you love the full box sticker kit, but you want more room to write. So the mini box sticker kit Sticker Society is the one that will work for you, because the design on the boxes is exactly the same. It's just smaller, so it will leave you more room in each individual Erin Condren box to write what you need. So you'll get 6 sheets of these, and so there is so much on these, and you can, you know, plan to your heart content. We even had, you know, date covers, and then washi, etc. So that's the mini box sticker society. Now if you use the Obonichi week, you can purchase the Obonichi week sticker society, which also comes with a ton, because it comes with 3 full weeks of you know, covering, I guess you can use it for 3 full weeks in the sense that it covers 3 full weeks of pages. But I just love this one. I used to use the Obonichi weeks a lot. I love how this kit, I think, you know, Christy's kit is one of the best for Obonichi weeks. It gives you so much. There's so much washi, so many boxes, so many options. And then the date cover, I just love it. Now let's say that instead you are more of a practical planner, you don't love to use that many stickers, then the Sticker Society is more for you, in the sense that you will get 5 sticker sheets of more functional stickers. So you're getting headers, quarter boxes, more little, you know, flags or little hearts, little days of the week, lots of flags, and so this is probably the kit for you. Now these are all the available kits, guys. If you're not subscribed, and there's extras, Christy always lists them on the website, so make sure to follow her. And if you have any question, contact the TPS customer support, and they will be able to help you. But in the meantime, I hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all next time.